Here's how you can quickly and easily add a dynamic header to your sheets based on the individual sheet name. I've got January 2025 selected here, and I'm going to select all of my sheets here. I'm going to scroll all the way to the end, hold Shift, and click on December 2025. Now all my sheets are selected. Whatever changes I make are going to be applied to all of them. I'm going to insert a row here at the top, right click, insert. And what I'm going to do now is use the cell function to return the file name. For the info type, I'm going to type in file name, and the reference can be any cell. I'm just going to type in A1 for the cell. And it's going to return the location of where this file is saved. And it also tells me the sheet name, January 2025. So I'm going to extract that. And I'm going to do that using the text after function. And so with the text after function, I can pull all the text after a specified delimiter. In this case, I'm going to select that closing bracket. And I'm going to close this out now. And now you can see I've got January 2025. But let's add another word onto this. I'm going to type in January 2025 sales. I'm going to use the ampersand, open quotations, space, sales, close quotations. And now we've got January 2025 sales. Let's spread this across multiple columns, make it larger. And now if I just want to go back to selecting just a single sheet, I can click on any one of these. And now, as you can see, if I cycle through these different tabs, now I've set up a header that's going to automatically update based on the sheet that it's in.